This is what is up, YouTube. This is Smitty from myheartgains.com. Hey, this is gonna be an interesting video I'm gonna do about cancer. I've had people close to me pass away from cancer, and I have something that I really think can help. I wrote this ebook. The ebook is called the Ketogenic Advantage Blueprint. I wrote it right when I started learning about the ketogenic diet, how it affects inflammation, right? I'm not a big proponent of the ketogenic diet. I'm a big proponent of keto adapting. And once I understood what it was and how it works in the body, I thought it was very important that I write this ebook. The Ketogenic Advantage Blueprint. Here it is. It's an ebook. You can download it at iHeartGains.com. One of the things about inflammation is that it's associated with cancer. So I wanted to dedicate this video to understanding some of the underlying principles on cancer and how it gets prevented. And from my perspective, through asking questions and through listing my sources from academic sources that suggest these are how things work and some of the fundamentals surrounding some of the dynamics we're looking at when we're looking at cancer. First question I asked my friendly ChatGPT enabled app: define cancer, cite relevant sources in MLA format. And the response I got was, cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. These cells can form tumors or invade other parts of the body through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. Cancer can affect any part of the body and can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetic mutations, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices. According to the American Cancer Society, cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. If the spread is not controlled, it can result in death. What is cancer? That's the source. The National Cancer Institute defines cancer as a term used for diseases in which abnormal cells divide without control and are able to invade other tissues. Cancer. The question is, what role might inflammation play in the formation of cancerous cells? Cite relevant sources in LA format. Inflammation can play a significant role in the formation of cancerous cells. Chronic inflammation can cause damage to DNA and other cellular components, leading to mutations and other changes that can promote the growth and spread of cancer cells. Inflammatory cells and cytokines can also create an environment that is favorable for the growth and survival of cancer cells. According to a review published in the Journal of Nature Reviews Cancer, inflammatory cells and cytokines can promote the growth and survival of cancer cells by stimulating angiogenesis, inhibiting apoptosis, and activating signaling pathways that promote cell proliferation and survival. Chronic inflammation can also cause DNA damage and other genetic changes that can contribute to the development of cancer. Another study published in the journal Cancer Research found that inflammatory cells and cytokines can create an environment that is favorable for the growth and spread of cancer cells. Inflammatory cells can also produce reactive oxygen in nitrogen species, which can cause DNA damage and promote the development of cancer. I'm feeling more confident in how I can talk around cancer and how it gets prevented in the body. So one of the questions I asked my friendly ChatGPT enabled app was, what is autophagy and does it occur in the colon? Autophagy is a natural process in which the body's cells break down and recycle damaged or unnecessary components. This process helps to maintain cellular health and prevent the accumulation of harmful substances. Autophagy occurs in many different types of cells and tissues throughout the body, including the colon. According to a study published in the journal Autophagy is a highly conserved process that is critical for the cellular homeostasis and survival in response to various stress conditions. Dysregulation of autophagy has been implicated in the pathogenesis of various diseases, including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and inflammatory bowel disease. Another study published in the journal Cell Death and Differentiation found that autophagy plays an important role in the maintenance of intestinal homeostasis and the prevention of colitis-associated cancer. Autophagy is involved in the removal of damaged dysfunctional organelles and proteins in the colon, which can help to prevent the accumulation of harmful substances and reduce the risk of disease. Here's my question: can autophagy happen in the colon while its mucosal layer is preserved? Cite relevant sources in the format. The answer is yes. Autophagy can occur in the colon even when the mucosal layer is preserved. According to a study published in journal Autophagy is a constitutive process that occurs in colonic epithelium even under homeostatic conditions, and it's critical for the maintenance of intestinal homeostasis and the prevention of colitis-associated cancer. Another study published in the journal PLOS One found that autophagy is a dynamic process that occurs in the colonic epithelium and is regulated by a variety of factors, including nutrient availability, energy status, and cellular stress. Autophagy can occur in the colon even when the mucosal layer is intact, and it plays an important role in maintaining cellular homeostasis and preventing the accumulation of harmful substances. So there you have it. It might come as a surprise that actually fasting is beneficial to someone that has, for example, colon cancer. In my ebook, The Ketogenic Advantage Blueprint, I talk about how the keto adapts so that your body is burning fat. Fat is calorically more dense than protein and or carbs. Kind of counterintuitive that for gut health, we need to fast ever so often. I start off by even fasting 2 hours after I wake up. Then I extend that 2 hours to about 4 hours after I wake up and see how I'm doing, right? And it really helps to reset some of the ongoing inflammation you may have in your gut, for example, or any other part of your body. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you want help reaching your fitness goals or your wellness goals, seek a fitness professional. If you want help from me, there's resources in this video, on this YouTube channel, and at iHeartGains.com. I'm Smitty. I hope you reach your fitness goals, and I'll talk to you in the next one.